Hello guys, today I will show you how to fix Skullgirls sound problem. If you have this problem, I will show you how to fix it now. Let's do it. Open the settings of your phone first. Click at apps option and search for Skullgirls and click. Go right now, click at storage option, click clear cache and you should back. Click at force stop and click OK. Come to Play Store or App Store, update Skullgirls and restart your phone right now, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel. See you in another video.